Dude. Mom, get out of here. Mom, you're so gross. Oh my god, that stupid jaw.
Domestic places to be for the holidays: Orlando, Fort Lauderdale, and Miami, just ahead of
Motherhood is really interesting because somehow I'm always packing for 5 people, but only one suitcase is mine. And for this trip, I was looking forward to a little sunshine and a break from the chaos my kids create daily. The length is lengthened.
Yeah.
It's cute. Your hair is gonna slay.
Oh, Duke, you have hair. That's scary. It's like really scary. Wow, that's a lot of hair.
Hey girls.
I'm gonna lose time. I'm gonna let Duke be.
Alright.
Duke doesn't even know how to hold a camera.
Hey Duke.
So embarrassing. He just got a phone, and the way he takes pictures of his food is just like his father.
But guys, don't forget he won the other one.
Exactly. So I don't know what was wrong. I don't know why he holds his phone like that. I don't. It's like when he did.
Wonya baby Anna.
No, dude, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about your like camera taking a video.
Guys, the argument is too much. The argument is too much.
But I don't know how you just my photos with the first Like I really participated.
This is my alma mater, UMBC. Your alma mater is the school you went to. It's a word.
What does that mean?
The school you went to. I just said that. I think it might be Latin. This is the one we come to when we come to BWI.
It's still dark outside.
Yeah, the sun has not risen.
Sadie, imagine how Mary must have felt going to school.
What do you need to do?
You're holding a little box.
And despite the chaos, I do love these moments. The noise, the laughter, the mess. It's our version of family time.
Hey guys, today me and my family of 5 are going to be going to Orlando, Florida, and currently we're at the airport and we're waiting to go into the buffet.
What buffet? We're going to the lounge. It's okay.
The lounge. And we're all just waiting here to go eat. So we're gonna take you guys along with us, and for now, peace.
It's only what time is it?
7:18.
It's only 7:18.
Okay guys, so we're finally on the plane. We're moving a little bit. I'm sitting next to Duke. Nanama and Mommy are sitting on the other side.
Ready for takeoff. Ready?
And these views remind me of why I keep doing this despite the chaos, why I choose memories over convenience.
Flight attendants, prepare for landing.
Wait, that's so pretty.
This is a big pop. I'm Italy. Wow.
Oh, you can see the water. Turn around.
we're gonna take a shuttle to get to where the car rentals are. Hey, see, you want me to hold that card again? Want me to hold that card again? We have to wait for a shuttle. What?
Why did you capture that?
I did.
It was tripping on me.
It was tripping on you, or you were tripping on it?
No, like I stepped on one and then it started going. Tripping on me.
Yeah, girl.
Okay guys, so we got our luggages. We got basically everything we need. Now we're just waiting to get to the car and what's it called? And get to our hotel.
Yep.
It looks really different from the ones in Maryland. I love it. So once we get to the car rental place, I'm gonna catch up with you guys there. And from now on, peace.
Vlog at 2. Do 2. You are very close. It's a special type of renters.
It's so we have the last word.
It's a caramel.
Wait, it starts with a C.
Creme brulee French.
It's a creme brulee renters. He got it. It's a creme brulee renters. I saw somebody's comment that says that their creme brulee French toast is delectable. Oh, sunshine, we missed you. Look at the skies.
Wait, I love the way the trees look.
The clear blue skies. Oh.
Ooh. You guys look so cool!
Oh my gosh, what is wrong? Daddy's right.
Did she laugh at least? I think she laughed. The one with the pink shorts laughed.
Daddy, please.
I see the you see the little tower? The blue thing?
Honestly, I've seen it. It could be the one we went to. I think it probably is the one we went to. Yeah, I think so. I think so. We're not gonna do the same thing we did again. So you don't think we went there? Yeah. I said we went to the Disney water park. If that's the Disney water park, then that's the one we went to. What's it doing? Hey, what's it doing? What's it doing?
I know so. The king is back, and if you don't know the king is back. I don't remember.
Which king?
Oh, actually me. Oh actually, yeah, I'm the king.
It's a Waldorf Astoria. Yeah, right there. You see it? Yeah. We said, let me replay. We said the hotel that we stayed at the same hotel in Chicago. Who knows what hotel that was? We asked you guys.
Waldorf, right?
Yeah.
I was confident. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay. We got your $5.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
And this is the Wyndham. And it's also my come up and send you my
Signia by
What color is your car?
Green.
Okay.
You know, I was about to say green too.
Green sounds like a perfect color for you.
I have a really small green feet color.
I remember this place.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I really remember.
They do see
We used to bring her the kaipa. Front family, we are here. And the moment we walked into the Waldorf, I realized that this is the softness I've been craving. The warm light, the beautiful details, the quiet kind of luxury that makes you feel like you haven't completely lost yourself in motherhood. Kitty boobs.
Oh my gosh, I love that he has the pool all to himself.
Kitty boobs.
Look, he has the pool all to himself.
And yeah, kitty boobs. Hey, Dukey. King Duke. You're king, right?
Stop calling me sister. What is wrong with you, Sadie? No. 11? Who's calling me sister?
I thought they left us. How did we get here like almost at the same time?
Waiting for us.
They didn't wait long enough.
And it says 11:39.
It's 11:39, 11:09.
11:39.
Meanwhile, my children were still being themselves, running, laughing, doing the absolute most. But that's okay, because this is our rhythm, me versus the chaos, while still choosing calm every chance I get.
Hey guys, so we're leaving the hotel right now. I'm actually not sure where we're going currently, but I know it's about to be fun because when we leave during the nighttime, it's usually always fun. So we're not gonna judge it, and yeah. And the hotel looks super cool now since it's dark. I love all the decor and stuff. We're gonna give you guys a little look. And we're heading to the car right now, and I'll let you guys know if I find out where we're going before we get there. Peace.
So here's to winter escapes, to soft moments and loud seasons, and to finding a little elegance, even when everything around you is messy.